guys, it's Emma here from Cookville RV Marine, and today we're going to take a look at the 2026 Grand Design Imagine AIM 15 RVA. But before we get started, we want to let you know we are not like those corporate guys. We are family owned and operated here at Cookville RV Marine, so that means we're going to treat you like family every step of the way. Also, before we begin, be sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to be notified every time we post a walkthrough. Over here on your entertainment side, we are covered with a full awning with also a LED strip right underneath it, so whenever you're at the campground at night, you're going to be lit up and you'll be able to see everything that's going on around you. We also have power here, so the party doesn't stop. You can plug in your devices, anything you want to keep the party going. Now let's check out our storage. So as you can see, we have a really nice and long pass-through storage, which is perfect for your tables, chairs, campground games if you have any that are pretty large and you want out of your way instead of being in the camper. I also want to mention that this is lit up and it's motion censored, so if you're working in here at night, you know, messing around with things, you are going to be able to see everything. On your opposite side, you do have your convenience bay, which is all of your hookups that you're going to need when you get to the campground. This floor also is very sturdy. It's the same floor that you're going to find on the inside, so it's really high quality. Now let's check out the inside. As soon as you walk in, you will notice this motion censored light over here, as well as a really nice storage compartment on the ground for all of your shoes. Let's check out that control panel. So over here we do have our control panel. So from here you're able to control your exterior, interior lights, as well as your pumps and tanks. You also have your little Bluetooth button here so that you can connect your phone and do things manually through there. You also have your little button here that's easily retracting your awnings. Up here you will notice that you do have your indoor JBL speakers, so you'll be able to keep that party going inside as well. Now let's check out the living space. Over here in our living space, we do have this really nice comfy couch that also comes with cup holders and an armrest to make it for a really comfy experience right after a long day at the campgrounds or hiking. I also want to mention the best part about this location is it's right across from our TV here, so it's perfect for movie watching nights, relaxing and watching all your shows. We also have storage all underneath this, perfect for those shoes and little items that you want out of the way. But another cool thing that this Imagine comes with is this table for exterior use, for extra room. But the cool thing about this living space is it converts into your queen size bed. So this little area is perfect for relaxing after a long day. I also want to mention these cubbies that are on both sides of you. It's plenty of room for your devices if you want to plug those up to charge them at night, or even a CPAP machine can fit in here. So that's a really nice feature. I also want to mention these lights do turn off and turn to a blue light. So if your partner wants to go to bed, but you want to stay up either scrolling on your phone or even reading a book, you're going to have a light to do so. We also have storage up above us, and that is a huge space, you guys, but not only is it a really nice storage area, you have a light that keeps it lit up really well. Let's check out our other storage options. Over here, we have what we call our closet area, and I will mention that these are the same on both sides. So what you're looking at here is going to be the exact same over on this side. We do have a hanging rod here that's perfect for all those clothes, jackets, anything you need for the campgrounds, with lots of storage down here too if you want to take advantage of folding those clothes and stick them in that little cubby. We also have pull drawers that are perfect for those junk drawers and throwing everything that you don't want inside into these. Underneath that, we have a little cubby that's perfect for those taller items like those books or magazines. It's just a little hidden storage area for those. It's perfect. We also have these hooks here that are great for those purses and backpacks for after you're done hiking. Now let's move on to the kitchen. Over in our kitchen area, we have all of these cabinets for your storage. These would be perfect for cups, bowls, plates, even paper cups, paper bowls, all those good things for the campground. Over here we have our vent hood with an option to turn the light on and off, as well as your fan, which is a really nice feature. We have a 2-burner stove here with a splash guard as well, and this lights up real nice too, so it looks real fancy. We have plenty of space here so that you can do all of your cooking, chopping up vegetables, everything that you need a kitchen for. You're going to have plenty of space to do that here. Over on your sink area, we have a really nice retractable sink, so it's going to be extra easy to wash those dishes. And we have a built-in soap dispenser, so you don't have to worry about it moving all over the place whenever you're driving your trailer. It also comes with this drying rack, so that's a really nice feature so that you don't have to take up your counter space for that. I also want to mention that you have plenty of counter space to leave out your coffee makers and appliances if you want to do so. Underneath this, we have more storage options. There's a few more cubbies. This would be perfect for some wadded up towels to do your dishes or even sponges. That's the perfect area for that. Right here is my favorite storage area that we have. We've got these little drawers here that are a little taller, so they're perfect for our K-cups or our coffee and tea bags, as well as our silverware and things like that. There's plenty of storage for that. We also have a really nice microwave, which is my favorite appliance to have, especially in a camper, for those Pop-Tarts, popcorn for your movie nights on the couch, and everything like that. Now, let's move on to the fridge. Over here, you have the perfect size fridge for your camper. You're going to be able to fit everything you need, and you've got a nice size freezer too. Up above that, we have our pantry over here, and this thing is deep enough to fit all of your canned goods, your popcorn, even extra appliances like your toaster or your little coffee machine if you have one of those. This would also make for a perfect storage for your pots and pans and larger things like that. Now let's move on to our dining area. And over here we do have our dining area. This place is big enough to fit all of your family. You can have some really nice family dinners here or even card games if you want to use it for that. Even working from home would be a perfect option for this desk. I do also want to mention that this area folds down so that it converts into another sleeping area so you can fit another kiddo or two over here to sleep. Up above us, we do have a huge window to catch your campground views and also let in some of that nice lighting. If you don't want that option, you can pull down the shade and it's a really nice blackout option. Up above us is that TV that I mentioned before. So all of your movie watching is going to be up above me, and that's a really nice area so that you can watch it from the whole room. Now let's check out the bathroom. In our bathroom, we have a nice roomy area for you to get ready, have all of your makeup out on this counter, but I don't want to forget to tell you guys about the storage. We have this nice mirror here that's going to make getting ready really easy. And we have all of this storage up here that's perfect for those toiletries, toothpaste, everything like that. Even your towels will fit up here. As I mentioned, this sink is really nice. There's plenty of room for you to get ready, but underneath that is also some more storage pockets for you to fit anything else that you need in the bathroom. Over beside of your counter in this little corner, we also have a plug for all of your hair tools or appliances in here that you need to get ready for the day. Right beside of me over here is a foot flush toilet, so that's a really nice thing right here in the middle of the room. But let's check out that shower. Over in our shower, we do have a really nice retractable shower head, so that makes it easy to hose off those kids or dogs if they get dirty at a long day at the campground. We have a really good sized shower. It's very tall, and there's even a skylight here, but it also has a little lip on it, so your water's not going to splash out when you're showering, which is really nice. We have a little sliding door too that also helps keep out all of that water. So if you're looking to skip those corporate guys and buy from a family owned and operated business like us, be sure to give us a call, give us a text, or visit us online at cookvilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.